In fact, and again, when the ball here come up, Kotoko boys need ball. When you compare Wednesday and number ball, papa, Omoya dear, Yamuabaso, Maya dear, pa. And the person will be a ball. We need players, so I'm a ball back in the show. And supporters, the rest of them say, a match, be a show, one go, let the winners are a league. What I say, intermediate, the question said, the ball, Maniaji, pressing out the ball, you see a pa. And the rest said, you're not but you're supported Timono. Now, come be also a full league in Yabaji. Born here off, limited VVIP. Like one who paid in the flag and look solo. What I say, in the player no, Damuno, and the banner of a off. It was clean off. The Phoebe I knew. It means supporters on more Mukasa said, Bono, and off. Like one who paid down the flag. What I say, a clean off. Kotoko, Yasham Shapa. Mimi Kotoko supporter, Masoko to Kotoko for about 40 years. And the game of Kotoko boss need papa because Friday, Mimi was anamite. Friday, Tanya coach in Israel, I hear Jumapa or working on their stamina. What I say? Some will see more stamina working and now hear Jumapa. And ball Pacus Mimiaji Pa, mobile ball, or my idea. Oh, no, Kotoko supporter so Massa against 4 what I say has 4 from only Casacasa. What was what a beyond one was under the bully. Oh, coaching there, Jamaica and say, Najuma would in the eternity as a portono. A time you so improve match after match into no, Yakosobana Basso, so need you my Pambo Kotoconcoso. Because only 2 Nadia Beja finish some. A local team now about 10 years. A good coach, I'll see a man a chance. What I say. Mina Mika, maybe I got a spotter. Match and I catch him say match we I also koda. Yes, any koda so because this season no maybe win say team am na compete I am mediama. And no mediama to home about draw. Team can send na me shano makoda so. Na me koda so agi say grade and bedwuma free ho. And your boys so abomu mo den ha sha ma me. And Kotoko ya better top. Ye ne da first. As well as I the challenge is a grader. Grader no so be and so as say. Tell you don't have to say be league no. I just said grader. Coach Osborne to the system. I always if you are on to as a supporter. Which today and our game na. Who say on many are Ogum so far Ghana ha. Team plan coach bien or tactics chain. Coaches big coach bien or tactics chain Ogum. O coach bien or did you say Ogum Bona Obono. Players in your players by any team. The boys in the ball, what you say, boys in the ball. Or Piaggio Botim said, no, boy, Mr. Ghana this season, team piano quality player, Kotoko. Team piano, but any team, boys in the Angele, the more no more you can say, boys in the Jalia, Ghana, team piano, piano year. But to me, the old Ghana team. Coach Bianwo, tactical coach. Asante Kotoko. I just saw catch a Kotoko. And on my game, and no more so to me. I mean, that's your Kotoko. Maybe no Kotoko and Jao Biao. Kotoko supporters in United good. Say, I was Asante Kotoko. You're eating in Abahao. Anya, and now homo. You're fucking about Shenipa good stadium. Shenipa ebe Kotoko match. Because supporters, I see the whole Ghana. Team bien one the supporters, you vibrant Kotoko supporters. Or per se you go home away from home. But Shenipa. It means I say Kotoko supporters, the whole Ghana, the whole Yasi. They are vibrant and you support each other. I am fabulous. The best team in Ghana, Obiabwa.
Yes. On my idea, me mboma baso wodumadi omudi in there. Say team be a bar or when you go to Bontin or bar or Nahon in a bar. Here, first half now, we totally outplayed them. Second half, now, so into the picture. No, say, yes, that's all our chances, but I don't know, you're winning your 3 points and 1 year, here's the most mountain you need.
Doctor, going to the second game, we're going to find the
I think the coaching is working on it. Over Sudan in or by number 9, they say when it comes to area balls, it's always good. And on the ball control, but Mr. Coaching, they know what to do, how to pick players. Intimidate can't check and watch them. But I know eventually they'll find somebody who can punch goals for us to get our wins. Yes. That's the belief because so far no, the outcome no the incoming money no for the team is good. And I think say Basebeko Sana supporters me free Kumasi Ababe Boadia to maintain this place and keep this place. Atmosphere near the people here are lovely. Supporters nearby all right. Encourage all the others to come and join us to be behind the team to victory.
Because any minute, anything can happen.
Yeah. One goal running, but the board is only 3 points. But out here, chance someone to cry, the panic attacks and crack can even kill you. But eventually, no, I think things will change and the team will come out and score more goals. And one year, goals nearby and I hear fans no near Niaji.
Last,
yeah. Yes. Okay. Way before we pass the ball, we can't flag this so. I was watching way before we pass the ball to the last person. No, not flag this so. I said now what the man on the crossing. And the flag was up from about I think say make up 30 seconds on the power ball na she. And I think say the linesman here was right because Opojan and Sanabo ndu po mu kra. I watch video now. And say ndu kra the flag was up about 30 seconds and Sanabo ni be do at him. Until no near.
Fans no for. Was it Kotoko first half second half
that one they are leave that to the coach because I say board here brew 90 minutes running up and down is not easy. We've all been there, you know, say even 15 meters crowd to cramp our bread. That when 100, you know, about 90 meters on a field running 90 minutes too. And the brew, more time, no. You say we are technical bench, so they will identify the shortcomings of the players and work on it. Hopefully, no. Next game, I'm more idea. Yeah, so.
Oh, ball game with you, and you come up. Now, best. But was it the woman about you? No. Bilomoka say one go in there, but the one go no so. But the only idea means win or lose or draw. And this one go back. That's the moment man. You only 3 points. And I like you go say go in the Africa. And the best go never. Kotoko go never. And the no so support the more the 3 points in the one game. Watch a 10 goals score 3 points in the room. And the other one is laughing on the corner cross. Don't win or G and the man of course to meet Chairman Falafel. The ambassador support the more than 3 points in the Mona or Kotoko 3 points. And our good idea I think of what as a bonus to not 3 points in the eye about support as I say. No free was about God as well. Quite about 10. There's one runner win more than Comas in there. The other Michelle was so cool. Yeah, the Dakan about to us. There was a power. There was a small close. Enough from the company for the job which are nobody come and support us about your driver. Where was it? That's the only man say. The only man say, if I'm not coming, we can take a deep open. We should do open. The only man say, but the collective blood in the emperor, you're paying him. But one go put it to my one go put it to my I'm to share. A time to share. It's only a time, so no way. Second, I'm opponent in the album. At the end of the year, yes,
so far, collect. I found out Obia but the problem now Ghana last week. Ghana last week for no I said, Uboma, Chichina, or so really. Young Bobo, that's why you're watching. Everything was shown me. Not for us, or call Liverpool, or Liverpool. If you want to show me Boma, one just Chichina, or say, you want to go home. and yes I see Kotoko yes no love for football it's on billion no share love for no can be clear no and yes I boy a trophy and you go complete because left I call left a play that will play I'm a play side off it is Accra national the owner from the door sir solution for the door I feel about no talk it Kotoko now Asante
go in there sir Obia Oba Lenkena who say yes Kotoko Bobo pa even for the first half no cry no now say you bury or mo cry now one thing is say no yes striking ability no as they say off them and one thing is say no team no more na you pro Obia Obey finisher amaye so that say animono time bia ball ko aye waste ball no because first half no ye waste ball dodo yeah I think
thank you as usual particularly we were ahead of them wow share right from the brass of the whistle first half we should have even scored a goal or two but unfortunately yantimi Miki any Ibia the second half no and your coach no every year otimi Emma yetimi as early as 15 minutes now yetimi and your first goal second half no we say after say you go no and almost so Lions for is almost pin up that there was pressure almost so until we say na so almost so make sure so almost the counter ebe na emfa but basically and tactically coach and so decided say obe hold you on into one goal lead now Okreti say Mayfield no be very tight you defend it but the fans are saying say one goal project it's a soccer there win lose or draw so far as I say 3 maximum points I think say we are through with time no build a striking ability no say you bet me I share more goals Massa, we are pressman, we are journalists. I'm happy so now the flag was raised some seconds before the player kicked the ball into the net. He should have even shown the yellow card. It was a very clear offside.
All those are which you but strike and impossible on 90s. One I say, when you come to standard, this is outside foreigner. Then I'm way for
about so you're foreigner or a striker and mark the team. But with the major technical team, our issue is to mobilize the numerous supporters. So about stadium in their numbers into with the major technical team. No more years. I will time or more able the striking, into Bibia Ebefa.